Hello students, in triangle lesson inside we'll see, yesterday we had seen theorem of remote interior angles triangle, that activity also we had seen, a property also of exterior angles we had seen. So today we will solve the questions, that is solved examples. So I will write here question. First question is the measure of angles of a triangle are the measure of angles of a triangle are in ratio 5:6:7. So find the measures. Find the measure is the question. Find the measures. So first of all, here ratio given 5:6:7. So we have to take here what? The common multiple. So here we have write, let the measures of angles. Let the measures of angles. Measures of angles of a triangle be 5x, 6x and 5x, 6x and 7x. So as you know that sum of all angles of a triangle is equals to how much? 180. So we have to add this. So 5x plus 6x plus 7x is equals to how much? 180. Here write measure of angles property of a triangle, or here write directly if you are writing the property. Sum of all angles of triangle is 180 degree. So that's why we wrote here. So 5 plus 6 is 11, 11 plus 7 is 18x is equals to 180. So x is equals to 180 upon 18. So 18 ones are 18 and here 0. So x is equals to how much? 10. Now we have to find the respected angle. So 5x is equals to 5 into 10 equals to 50. Second, 6x is equals to 6 into x is equal 6 into 10 equals to 60, and 7x means 7 into 10 is equals to 70. So in this way you have to solve the answer, and therefore write the measures of angles. Therefore the measure of angles of a triangle, measure of angles of a triangle, how much? 50, 60 and 70. Okay, so you have to solve this example in this way. Now we will see the next activity. So I will write down the activity at first, then we will discuss. So this is the second question. Observe the figure. So here it is a figure. Find the measures of angle PRS. So here it is PRS. PRS we have to find out this angle, and RTS. So this also we have to find out. So actually it is very easy. So first of all, as you know that this is the TRS, TRS or PRS. This PRS is the exterior angle for triangle PQR. So here we will write angle, answer inside. Angle, otherwise we will write here, then we will get this question. Angle PRS. This angle PRS is an exterior angle of triangle PQR. What? Triangle PQR. Okay, and as you know that the exterior angle is equal to sum of remote interior angle, so that we had studied already. Therefore angle PRS PRS is equal to angle RPQ, angle RPQ plus angle PQR, angle PQR. So I will do the addition. RPQ's measure in the figure given 30 degree. Here it is upside, and it is Q's angles measure is given 40 degree, and so its measure is equals to 70 degree. Now I got it here value angles measure PRS. Okay. Now this PR is equal RS is equal to how much I got it here now? 70 degree. This measure is equals to 70 degree. Now I have to find out the second angle's measure. So second angle is RTS. So this is the RTS. So here I will write in triangle RTS. Okay. You know that sum of all angles of a triangle is equals to 180. So here we will write in triangle this only we are taking RTS, angle RTS plus angle TRS, TRS plus angle RST, RST is equals to how much? 180 degree, and that is the reason behind it, the sum of all angles of triangle, sum of all angles of a triangle. Now RTS, where is RTS? That we have to find out. RTS, TRS is equal to, just we find it here, 70. Then RST is equals to how much? 30, and is equals to 180 degree. Now here angle RTS plus sum of this both is the 100 is equals to 180 degree, and angle RTS is equals to 180 minus 100 and is equals to how much? 80 degree. Its measure is, if you do the subtraction, you will get RTS is equals to how much? 80 degree. So in this way you have to use the properties of exterior angle of triangle to find the PRS, and you have to use the property of sum of all angles of a triangle is equals to angle is equal to 180 to solve the second example. Okay. Now we will see the next question. Now we will see the next that is example. Prove that the sum of exterior angles of a triangle. Prove that sum of exterior angles of a triangle obtained by extending its side, obtained by extending its sides in the given direction, in the given direction, is 360 degree. That we have to prove. So for that we will draw here first triangle. So, and sides also I have to extend, so I will draw here sides, already extended sides I will draw here. So this is my triangle. And I will extend its side. So first of all, this is my triangle A. I will extend this side, one direction, clockwise or anti-clockwise. So this is A, and I am doing it anti-clockwise. This is B, and that is C. I have extended these sides. So what I have to show that this all exterior angles sum means angle, this angle this angle and this angle sum is 360 that I have to show. So first of all we can solve this example by two methods. Okay, so the first method is first we will write the given. So given angle PAB. This is the sorry, I forgot to give the names. Here it is P, here it is Q, and here it is R. This is the figure. Angle PAB. So PAB. Then angle QBC. Angle QBC. And angle RCP. Angle RCP are the exterior RCA we will write here. Angle RCA are exterior angles of triangle. Are exterior angles of triangle. Exterior angles of triangle. Okay. And which is that triangle? Triangle ABC. You just know it's not necessary to write this. Directly if you are writing triangle ABC. Okay. So here given what we have to prove. So how to prove this? What to prove first of all? This angle PAB plus angle QBC, this QBC plus angle ARC or ACR is equals to 180 that we have to prove. Okay, so PAB, QBC and RCA, this measure is equal to 180 that we have to prove. So first of all, what we have to do, considering PAB and of triangle ABC. So first of all, what we will do, write it some proof. For that what we have to do, here right, considering this is method 1, whatever we are solving, that is consider method 1. Considering exterior angle, this is angle exterior angle, which is exterior angle, which is the exterior PAB. This is PAB, PAB of triangle ABC. PAB of triangle ABC. So it is exterior angle, and as we know that exterior angle PAB is equal to sum of remote interior angles. So sum of this both is equal to BABC plus ACB. That will be right here. So angle PAB is equals to PAB. This angle is equals to angle ACB plus angle ABC. Angle ABC, that is first. Okay, similarly all these exterior angles are there, that we will find. Okay, so similarly how to show that this PAB is equal to PBC plus PC or ABC. Next angle QBC is equal to angle QBC. This QBC is equal to QBC's remote interior angles are here. Okay, these are the remote interior angles, that and this. So we will find now. QBC is equal to angle BAC plus angle ACB. Angle ACB. That is second. Now third angle is the RCP. RCP is equals to angle, this is RCP, this is the RCP. Now exterior angle will change the positions. So this angle's exterior angle of RCP is these two. So it's a interior angle adjacent, and these are the two what interior angles. So CPB, angle CPB plus CAB plus ABC, angle ABC. Okay, here BAC we will write, afterwards you will get confusing. Reading is same for this. So I will write here BAC. This which angle I am reading? This. You can read it BAC, otherwise CAB, anyway. So that is our third. Now what we have to find out here is sum of these three angles. So I will add these three angles. So LHS and RHS both I will add. So I write here adding 1, 2 and 3. So if we add 1, 2, 3, you will get here angle QB. First we will add the LHS. This QB is PAB. First is PAB. So here it is PAB plus QBC plus angle QBC and plus angle RCP. RCP. These angles we can write RCP. Here it is RCP. Then QBC. Instead of C, you can write here QBR because we want it here QBR. Sum of these angles. QBC only written here. So here ACR. So we write here A. This is ACR. Okay, as per PAB. Next QBC or QBC also write. You can write QBR also because same it is there. QBC right, QBC right, or QBR because B dash C dash R is there. So ARC is equals to. Now these forwards we have to add. Angle is equal to, I will write here downside, angle BAC plus angle ACB, that we are PAB is added here. Now QBC is equal to what? QBC is equals to angle QBC is only written here. PABs we will write here now. ACB plus angle ACB plus angle ABC plus we have to write this downside RCP's angle BAC plus angle ABC. If you will find it here, you will notice that both angles, these angles are came. BAC came how many times? Is equals to is here. BAC. So how many times it came? 2 angle BAC plus ACB 2 angle ACB plus ABC came 2 times, 2 angle ABC. So is equal to 2. So common take out the 2 and angle sum it right inside. BAC plus ACB and plus angle ABC. Okay. Now if you notice BAC, this is BAC. This is A angle. ACB, this is C angle, and ABC is the third. These three are the what? Interior angles of a triangle, and it's as you know that sum of all angles of a triangle is equals to how much it is there? 180 degree. Here write sum of interior angles of triangle. Interior angles of triangle. Okay, as 2 into 180 is equal to 360 degree. So in this way you can prove that sum of all exterior angles, if you take in one direction, so anti-clockwise or clockwise there, PAB, QBC or RCB is equals to how much? It is 360 degree. Okay, that is one method, and another method is very easy method. Now we will see the another method. In first theorem inside I have here 360 want, so by mistake I wrote, but we proved it is 360 only. Here by mistake I had written. So all of you do the correction in it. Okay. Now in the second method we will see. In the second method question is same only. What we have to give here, we will write here measure for this. So I will write here measure of this is A, B and this is C. Okay. And here I will write this measure of this angle is ABC. This is angle I will take here D. This angle's measure I will take D, E, and that angle's measure I will take F. Okay. So here I have to show this angle's measure is equal to how much? 360. Just I told you it was miscorrection is there. You have to do the correction in first method inside. Here I write 360. Now it is very easy. Another method inside. What we have to do? First of all, here, as you know that angle C plus F, these two angles measure is equal to how much? Angle C plus angle F is equal to how much? 180 degree. Reason behind it, these are the linear pairs of angles. Linear pairs of angle means they are on a same line. Okay, so F plus C is equal to linear pairs of angle. Okay, same way A plus D, these two are also in linear pair. Angle A plus angle D is equals to 180 degree. Third, B and E are also in linear pair. So angle B plus angle E is equals to also 180. Now what I will do? I will do the addition of this all. So for here I will do angle C plus angle F plus here also 1, 2, 3 I will give and do the addition of this. So here adding 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3. So here I will get angle C plus angle F. C plus F. Then plus angle A plus angle D. Okay. Plus angle B plus angle E is equals to how much? 1, 2, 3 times came 180. 180 into how much? 3. 180 into 3. And next 180 into 3 is equals to how much it is there? 18 3 is a 54 and 0. So this all angle sum is equals to how much? 540 degree. Now what I will do here? I will do the addition of this A interior angle ABC. So A is here, B is here and C is here. Here it is C. So I will write it separately. Then F plus angle D plus angle E means these are exterior. F, E and D, these are exterior angles. And into bracket I will write plus angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 540. Now this is here angle F plus angle D plus angle E, and these are the interior angles of a triangle, and sum of all interior angle of triangle is equals to how much it is there? 180 degree, and here it is 540. And next if I will solve it, F plus angle D plus angle E is equals to 540 minus 180, and its subtraction is the how much? 360. Here I told you 360. First things that I had done mistakes, so all of you correct it. So many times I told you plus angle D and plus angle E is equal to what I got it here, 360. So in this way you show that the exterior angles, sum of exterior angles of triangle is how much? Exterior angles of a triangle obtained by extending in sides in one given direction. If we extend this side in given direction is equal to how much? 360. And suppose all angles if we are taking in this way, so sum of all of the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to 360 into 2 is equal to whatever is the answer. So its answer is 720 degree. All exterior angles if we are taking. But here we have one direction they are asking. So its answer is 360. So today we will stop here only. All of you note down this theorems and practice it. Next we will practice. We'll see the next part on our next lecture. Okay. Thank you.